pick up. Don't.
I have to.
Stay with me, baby, stay with me tonight. Don't leave me alone. Walk with me, come and walk with me to the edge of all we've ever known. I can see you there with the city lights, 14th floor, pale blue eyes. I can breathe you in. Two shadows standing by the bedroom door. No, I could not want you more than I did right then. As our heads leaned in